Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and connections. Remove the battery pack or cells and replace with fresh AA batteries or a charged rechargeable pack, because low power often looks like unresponsiveness. Check the battery contacts for dirt or corrosion and clean gently with 70–90% isopropyl alcohol. Once done, fully power cycle both devices. Hold the controller Xbox button for 10 seconds, unplug the console for 30 seconds, then restart. This clears transient faults and gives you a clean baseline to test. Next, focus on communication and software. First, try repairing. Press the controller sync button then the console sync within about 20 seconds to re-establish a clean link. If wireless still fails, connect the controller with a USB cable. This isolates radio problems and lets you confirm the controller works as a wired device. Make sure to update firmware. Go to Settings, Devices and Connections, Accessories, and apply any available controller updates. Firmware fixes often resolve odd button or stick lockups. Finish with hands-on hardware checks and one clear fallback. Inspect sticks and buttons for dust, crumbs, or sticky residue. Use short bursts of compressed air and a toothpick gently, then clean surfaces with isopropyl. If problems persist, perform a controller reset. Remove batteries, hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds, reinsert power, then repair. If issues continue, test the controller on a PC or phone to confirm failure. At that point, consider replacing worn parts or filing a warranty/repair claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.